Morning, sunshine. Time to wake up.
5 more minutes?
If I give you 5, you'll take 10. Come on, you'll miss the warm rolls.
Warm rolls?
Fresh out of the oven. Let's get you dressed.
Okay, I'm up.
It's leaning a little oval, Chef. Still better than last weekend's blob, though.
Harsh critic. I'm improving.
You are. Hey, I had the weirdest dream last night. Snow in the gym and a marching band on sleds.
Still stuck?
Yeah, the numbers just keep fighting me.
Let's make them friends then. Look, break it apart like this. See?
Oh.
So I moved the 10 over and
Yeah,
wait.
that works.
You solved it.
I did.
Fist bump. Remember, look both ways when you get off and sit near the front if you can. Text me when you arrive, okay?
Got it. Front seat, phone check. Promise.
And keep that scarf on. It's colder than it looks.
I will. Love you, Mom.
Love you, Peanut.
Hey, remember, hold the rail, no running up the steps.
I'm holding it.
And when you get off this afternoon, wait for the driver to wave you across, all right?
Look both ways, then cross.
Got it. That's my girl. Have fun. Love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with Conversation. Today we are going to practice some simple dialogues.
Welcome to Easy English with Conversation. Although the seats are empty today, we have a lot to cover. Let's practice some phrases.
My grandmother used to say the wind on nights like this carried the smell of the mountain back home. She'd stand on the porch and swear she could taste pine.
That sounds like her. Do you think she actually could?
And the little boat followed the stars all the way home, because the stars never forgot where it belonged.
Like you never forget me?
Never. You are my brightest star. I have always loved you, and I always will.
Plastic, and our first place award for creative engineering goes to Caleb Brown!
I can't wait to see my friends. We're gonna read a new book in class today.
That sounds like fun. What is the book about?
And then Sarah said we get to dissect a frog in science today.
Oh, wow, that sounds exciting. Did you finish your math homework? This mango smells wonderful, sweetie.
I want this one, Mommy.
All right, let's put it in the basket.
Wow, this mango smells amazing.
It certainly does, sweetie. Let's get this one.
That one is lovely, sweetie. It would look perfect with your sandals. I love it. Let's get this one.
Look at this one, Mommy. Isn't it pretty?
It is. And look, it has a matching hair bow.